Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete your account from Facebook. If you want to delete your account from Facebook, you'll need to follow these steps. So, open a Facebook application and make sure that your application is completely up to date. And then to begin with, you simply want to tap on the menu bar from the top right and then click on the gear icon from the top right once again. And then from the list, go to Account Center, click on it. Once you are on this section, click on Personal Details. As soon as you click on the Personal Details section, there you have multiple options. Simply go to Account Ownership and Control. When you go to this section, you want to tap on Deactivation or Deletion. As you've done it, so select a particular Facebook account that you wish to delete. Alright, then you want to make sure to select delete, click on the confirm button. Once again, you want to make sure to go ahead and confirm all sort of stuff that you have, and this way you'll be able to delete your Facebook account after 30 days. As for 30 days, it's going to be deactivated, and only after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.